Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Today's topic non-flowering plants. Here we will discuss about non-flowering plants. This is Amita. Welcome to our Science Fact channel. So in previous video already discussed about seasonal plant, how can define plants, and here we will discuss about non-flowering plants. This topic taken from class 4th with CBSE pattern. Before we start this topic, I will request all press red button, subscribe my channel and more share and like and comment in this video description box. If any query and any question, ask and drop message in this description box of video. So this is a non-flowering plant. Example of non-flowering plant: ferns, spores and moss. Non-flowering plants, do you know children? Those plants, they do not have flowers. So here we will discuss only non-flowering plant. Okay, this is a fern, spores, moss, pine. They do not have, they do not bear flower. So this is called non-flowering plants. So next slides, how we already know, we will know how can define non-flowering plants. So let's start. Here we will discuss about non-flowering plant. This is a diagram of non-flowering plants: fern, moss and pines. Non-flowering plants, some plants don't produce flowers and seeds. Plants such as ferns and mosses are called non-flowering plant and produce spore instead of seed. Because this is a non-flowering plant, fern, moss and pine, they do not produce flower. This is called non-flowering these plants produce only spores instead of seed. Okay, there is also another group called the fungi that include mushroom, and these also reproduce by pores. Non-flowering plants, all plants do not bear flowers. plants like ferns Plants like ferns and moss do not have flowers. Even pine tree do not bear flowers. So ferns, moss and pine tree do not bear flowers. Okay. So this is called ferns, moss and pine tree do not bear flowers. So this is called non-flowering plant because they don't produce any type of flower and seeds, only produce spores instead of seed. There is also another group called fungi that include mushroom, and these also reproduce by spores. And here take example, fungi and mushroom also reproduce spores like as these plants. Okay, these plants, example ferns, moss and pine. This is a non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plant, let's revise. Non-flowering plants, some plants don't produce flowers and seeds. Plants such as ferns and moss are called non-flowering plants because these plants don't produce flowers and seeds. Fern and moss and pine, we can see here on your screen. This is a fern, moss or pine, very important example of non-flowering plants. This is a fern, moss and pine. These plants don't produce flower and seeds. Plants such as ferns and mosses are called non-flowering plant and produce spores instead seed. There is also another group called fungi and include mushroom, and these are also reproduced by spores. So we can say our fungi and mushroom also reproduce by spores. So non-flowering plants, how can define? All plants do not bear flowers. All plants do not bear flowers, like ferns and moss do not have flowers. Even pine tree do not bear flowers. So non-flowering plants, some plants don't produce flower and seeds. Seed plants such as fern and moss are called non-flowering plant. This is an example. There is also another group called the fungi that include mushroom, and these also reproduce by spores. So we will finish this video here, and you can easily define non-flowering plant with example taken this video, and very interesting topic for class 4th student. So increase your knowledge and more, share, press red button and subscribe my channel, I request to all, and more share, because due to pandemic corona disease all children can't go to school. So this channel help for them and increase your knowledge with this channel taken topic wise and very understand concept based study available this channel. So take care, bye bye, god bless, stay tuned, think positive, do positive, defeat to corona virus, god bless.